In the heart of Nairobi, where traffic congests, pedestrians struggle to cross busy streets, more so students from the University of Nairobi, a solution is underway. Months of meticulous planning and preparation precede the construction of the newest underpass by KeNHA. Engineers have analyzed the terrain, calculated load-bearing capacities, and designed the underpass to withstand the test of time.
We are going for the new underpass just to be able to accommodate the increased numbers of pedestrians over this section. In order to minimize traffic disruption over this section, we opted to do a precast unit which would then insert into the road. Now, the University of Nairobi was gracious enough to grant us a precast yard next to the 844 building, which we occupied sometime in December of last year, and we started our casting in January of this year. Come end of March, we have been able to precast all the units that will be required for this crossing. Now, in order again to minimize traffic disruption, we are doing one carriageway at a time. We have opted to start with the Mombasa-bound carriageway, which was a longer unit compared to the units on the Nakuru-bound. We started the placement on the 28th, Thursday, just before Easter Friday, or Good Friday. And we wanted to capitalize on the holiday when the traffic disruption would be minimal, or when the traffic itself on the road would be minimal, and therefore there would be less disruption. Again, in the month of April, the schools are closed, and ordinarily during school holidays, the traffic is much less. Now, we're intending that we complete both carriageways within the month of April, during the time when we have this depressed traffic situation. We have closed the Mombasa-bound from the 28th, and as you can see, today is the 5th. We are meant to open the road on the 6th at midnight. However, along the way, we have experienced some delays, largely due to machine breakdown. We lost about 12 hours during excavation. We lost about 9 hours during the placing of the units, and today, as we are pumping the concrete for the joints, we've lost another close to 6 hours. That means we lost close to 24 hours. We now foresee that we'll be able to open the road roughly about 24 hours later than we'd promised to.